Maayong adlaw mga kigalaan, ako si Chakoy and welcome sa third episode sa Wandering Kusina. Sa third episode natin, ang lulutuin natin is Beef Tapa. Kung mahilig kayo sa Tapsilog, ito na po yung recipe namin by Wandering Kusina. At ito po yung mga ingredients natin sa ating Beef Tapa. We have 2 kilograms of beef, ito po yung soft part ng beef. We have lemon, i-juice po natin yan in a while. We have peppercorn, didikdikin po natin yan. And we have chopped garlic. And we have rosemary. Ito naman, i-chop din po natin yan. And we have 1 cup of soy sauce, 1 cup of oyster sauce, and then we have garlic powder, and we have onion powder. And part ng marinade natin is soda. Ito po yung sekreto na medyo manamis-namis yung beef natin. You don't have to put any sugar. So, i-adjust po natin later on yung content ng soda natin. So, right now, we have probably 1.5 cup of soda. So, sisimulan na po natin. Sisimulan na natin yung paghiwa ng tapa natin. We have to make sure na medyo manipis po siya kasi mabilis pong mag-absorb yung juice. Okay? Ang suggestion po namin pag gawa po kayo ng tapa, gagawin niyo siya sa gabi. Let it stay overnight kasi yan yung pinakamabisang pag-absorb ng juice ng tapa at mas malinamnam po siya. I'm not gonna post the whole video na nagsaslice po ako ng baka kasi marami-rami pa po ito. The next step will be marination. I'll get back to you as soon as I'm done. Ito yung tapa natin na all sliced up. Maninipis po siya. Ang una po natin gagawin is we're going to juice it up para mas maging malasa yung tapa natin, maasim-asim. Ilalagay po natin yung lemon natin. I-juice natin tong lahat na to. Eto. So as you can see now, nag-level yung juice natin, but actually it's not dahil kailangan pa natin itong i-mix. Hindi pa nakapunta yung ibang juices in between the meat. Now, bago ko siya haluin, ilalagay ko muna to. This is our garlic. Yung pepper natin. Pinagsabay ko ang garlic at saka lemon dahil habang pumapasok siya in between the fibers, malalasahan natin yung freshness ng garlic itself. So, i-mix lang natin to. Now, ang isusunod natin is yung rosemary. I-chop natin tong rosemary natin. Ilalagay natin to. Yung amoy ng rosemary ang magpapasarap lalo ng tapa natin. But optional lang po itong rosemary, guys. Now, ilalagay natin yung toyo. Ito po yung oyster sauce natin. We'll just have to make sure na mix lang natin sila lahat para fair ang treatment ng bawat slice ng baka. Okay, now, susunod natin, lalagyan natin siya ng garlic powder at saka onion powder. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of garlic. 1 tablespoon na po yan kasi half teaspoon to na measuring spoon. Yan. 4. Now, lalagyan natin ng onion powder. Yan. Mas maganda itong gamitin na panghalo. Hindi ko muna siya kinamay dahil didikit yung mga powdered ingredients natin. So, I will let it get wet at maghalo siya bago ko siya kamayin. Now, ihalo na natin yung soda natin. Of course, the pepper. Yun na po yun. All the ingredients are in. So, hahaluin natin siya for one last time. And then, we are going to let it marinate for like 30 minutes. Alright. Okay, this has been Chakoy and ito po yung Wandering Kusina tapa natin. In a while, I'm going to cook this and I'm going to show you how I'm doing it. But for now, I'm going to let it sit for 30 minutes. Okay? We'll be back. Okay. So, andito na tayo sa cooking process natin. Nakita nyo kung paano ko na marinate yung mixture natin. So, hinati ko na po yung marinate natin. Yung kalahati nilagay ko na sa fridge at ito yung buong lulutuin natin. So, papakita ko sa inyo yung process, paano yung gusto kong maging effect niya. So, basically, ang mangyayari is, sasalin ko lahat na tong mixture na to dito. Hayaan ko siya mag-evaporate hanggat sa dissolve yung sabaw niya. So, simulan na natin. Okay, better yet, I'm going to pour everything in. Oops. So, ito na yung whole mixture natin, which ginawa natin earlier. So, yung kalahati is nasa fridge. So, para bukas na yun, para may ulam. So, andito na yung lahat ng sabaw niya. What we are going to make sure right now is pag nag-boil na siya, we're just going to let it boil. And in the boiling process, yung lahat ng sabaw niya nanunuot doon sa karne at mas lalong lalambot yung karne natin. And then as it dissolves, yung texture ng karne at saka yung kulay ng karne mag-iiba siya. So magiging sticky siya later on. And then pag nag-dissolve na yung, pag 90% dissolve na yung sabaw niya, we're going to add the oil. Alright? So, hahayaan na lang muna natin siya na mag-dissolve and then we'll get back to you once nandun na tayo sa process na yan. Okay, so nakikita nyo po na ito na po yung texture na gusto nating ma-attain. So, 90% ng marinate niya na nag-evaporate na and may konti pa siyang sauce. So, this is the best time na pwede na natin siyang lagyan ng oil. So, lalagyan po natin ng oil. Siguro about 5 tablespoons. Yun. So, para siyang mapiprito. So, we're just going to let it simmer for siguro mga 5 more minutes. The reason why na ayaw ko totally mag-dry up siya na parang mapiprito siya, gusto ko yung may sauce pa ng konti, which is yung sauce mismo na tira ng marinade. And then, hahaluin natin ng mantika kasi doon parang nag-aaway. Piniprito niya mismo yung sauce niya itself, at the same time yung beef. Pero not totally prito na prito. Pero pag ginawa niyo na malalaman niyo yung anong ibig ko sabihin. Few minutes na lang, okay na to. Ready to serve na to. As I said, handa na yung garlic rice natin. And we'll serve this in a while. Okay? Alright. So, ito na po yung texture na gusto nating ma-achieve. Yung sauce niya is totally embedded na doon sa beef. At saka may konti pa siyang mantika. Ito yung pinaka-best texture na pwede natin ihalo siya sa garlic rice natin. Okay. Handa na po yung beef tapa natin. And I'm going to tell you in a while kung masarap. Well, I'm gonna tell you now. Ang sarap. Napakalambot ng tapa. Ready na siya. Ready na siyang ihain at i-serve. Alright? Okay, yan po. Ito na po yung serving natin ng tapa natin. This is just a suggested presentation. I hope you enjoyed our third episode today, and this is our beef tapa. And sana ma-enjoy niyo po to. Alright, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it to your friends para mas maraming makakaalam kung paano lutuin yung mga hinihanda nating mga dishes natin dito sa Wandering Kusina. Daghang salamat and enjoy!